Hello everyone, today's video is going to be about how to bake a pizza at home. Just so you know, this is going to be a homemade pizza. So you know, the other day I went to Walmart. I bought some pizza dough, I bought some cheese, and then I bought pizza sauce and pepperoni. Just so you know, this is going to be a homemade pizza instead of doing a frozen way or something like that. But yes, that's what I'm going to be doing today in this video, is show you guys how to bake a pizza. And just so you guys know, today I also got here is a brand new tripod I'm going to try out for my videos today. So let's go and get started with this video and try to bake a pizza today. So this is the kitchen area. Just so you know, this is where I'm going to be making my pizza today. Alright, I'm going to go in here, get the stuff I need. And it's like right here. Alrighty, so this is the stuff that I got in the bag here today. Let's see, I got this pizza dough. That's the pizza dough I'm using today. Okay, then I got some cheese. And I also got pepperoni. So this is what I'll be doing today, as this Mama's pizza, something like that. Mama Mary's, yeah, that's what it's called. Sorry, but yes, this is what all the ingredients I'm going to be using today. And just one more thing I almost forgot is pizza sauce. That is right here. Pizza sauce. That's what I'm using today. Okay, so now I'm going to go get a pan here, real quick. The pan is like over here. Alright, so I got a pizza pan right here because I'm going to be using a smaller oven today. This is the one I'm going to use today, is that one right there. Is a smaller oven. And one more thing I need to get is, what is it? I think I need to get oil. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, the reason why I'm getting this oil thing today is because if you read on the back of this instructions here, it tells you, let's see, you need olive oil so you can spread the oil on the crust to make it look brown, okay? Alright, so I'm going to come over here, get my tools, got my knife right there, and I got to spread for this oil thing, okay? Alright, so now let's come back over here, and I'm going to put everything on this pan. I'm going to take one of these out. So that's what the pizza dough looks like today. So that's pretty cool. So here is the pizza I was talking about earlier. This is the pizza dough. Okay, so I'm going to take this olive oil, vegetable oil. I'm going to pour a little cap on here real quick. Just a smooch. So that way I can do the crust brown. Alright, so we'll put that on there. And then I got my little spatula here to spread it all the way across. Well, maybe I should add a little bit more to the sides here. Okay, so I got it all on there, as you can see. Now, for my next thing is, I'm going to put some pizza sauce on here. Alright, there we go. Now I'm going to spread it around like this. Okay, so that looks pretty good enough for me. Good enough to eat. Yeah, spread it all on there. There we go. That's much better. Okay, so that's done. Now for the next one is mozzarella cheese. This one right here. I'm going to sprinkle it all the way around. Kind of like that. Maybe a little bit more cheese. I like it nice and cheesy. Pizza. That's what I like. Okay, so that should be plenty. Alright, now the pepperoni is this one right here. So I'm going to put pepperoni around it real quick. It's going to go something like this. Yeah, I like to put pepperoni, lots of pepperoni on my pizza too. So it's going to go all the way around in circles. 1 and 2. See, just like that. So that's finished. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven and set the timer. So this is what the pizza looks like when it's all done, when I got it finished making it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven, which is right here. So I'm going to open this up. Alright, so there we go. Okay, so the pizza is now inside. So now we have to wait about 10 minutes. So here's the timer, set it to 10 minutes. And then it should be good to go on our pizza here today. So I'll get back to you guys in just a moment. So this pizza should be done by now. So let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's definitely look like a pizza to me. Alright, so let's take it over here. There's one good looking pizza today. Nice. Alright, so let's take our cutter. Pizza cutter. Should be in here somewhere. Alright, there it is. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this open real quick. Alright, so here's the pizza cutter. I'm going to cut it real quick. Alright, so that's all finished. So I got my plate out here. I'm going to take everything. That's one of them. Put it on here. And that's what the plate looks like with the pizza. So that's pretty cool. Nice little pizza today. It looks really good. Alright, so let's go back to my bedroom and do a test taste. So now I'm back into my bedroom. So here's my pizza. This is what the pizza looks like today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick test taste and let you guys know how I like this pizza today. Alright, so here we go. I gotta say, the pizza's not half bad. I like the pizza dough, and then I like the cheese, and I like the pepperoni, and I also like the sauce too. I love the sauce that I picked out the other day at Walmart. It's pretty nice, and it has a nice bite to it. It kind of tastes like Red Baron pizza, well, almost. But yes, it's definitely a good pizza today. Now, so you guys know, I am trying to make my videos a little bit longer. As you can see, it's like almost 10 minutes, if not longer. But yes, I will definitely do some more longer videos of me doing some cooking videos today. Alright, so it's going to take me some time to do these videos, maybe like once a week or at least, just so you know, because I have to figure out what to do next for my next cooking video. But like I said, I'll definitely do my best to come up with some some new ideas, even if it's just the basics of stuff that I like to eat, you know. But other than that, it's doing pretty good. So that's pretty much it today, guys, about this baking a pizza. If you guys want to see more, just leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.